Here we are at the wood shop, Memorial High School, and the kids are self-sufficient. It's amazing. Doing such a good job. First time on the lathe. I'm working up to getting them on a metal lathe, but I figured I'd show them the wood lathe as a concept. And it's just, we're so lucky to have all this cool equipment. This is all vintage stuff. We got an Oliver joiner. We got an Oliver 30-inch bandsaw with a casted nameplate. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Casted nameplate. When was the last time you saw a casted nameplate on a machine that you buy for the shop? Just awesome. Look at this table. Woo! All right. And I'm Mr.G at Memorial High School, and anyway, we're working on the lathe, so I'll just give you like an overview of the shop. Okay, thanks for tuning in. See you later.